Yeah, teaser unboxing of the Padmate pamu x13. Nothing else in the box. Let's open this. What's in the box? Come on. Come on. What's difficult to open? There we go. Nice. Okay, nothing else. Why are you making it so difficult to open? Ooh, nice. Nice podium for Grogu here. So you can see better. That's it. Oh, right. Micro USB. We got two additional pair of tips. Important tips to new users. Yeah, we'll see about that. And ooh, nice manual. Sure, let's get to the main thing. There is a button here. You open it. Ooh, clicks off. There you go. So you know what to do down there. That was the very quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. Keep it funky. Bye.